Welcome to Realty Rookies, your ultimate guide to navigating the exciting world of real estate. Whether you're buying, selling, or just curious, we've got the tips, tricks, and insider knowledge to help you succeed in your real estate journey. In today's digital age, real estate agents are constantly seeking innovative ways to find quality leads and grow their business. One powerful tool that has revolutionized lead generation in the real estate industry is social media advertising. Leveraging platforms like Facebook, Instagram, and LinkedIn can significantly expand an agent's reach and attract potential clients in a cost-effective manner. Challenges in finding leads. Real estate agents often face challenges in finding leads, such as fierce competition, limited visibility, and difficulty in targeting the right audience. Traditional methods like cold calling and door-to-door marketing may not always yield the desired results, making it crucial for agents to explore new avenues for lead generation. Significance of social media ads. Social media ads offer a unique opportunity for real estate agents to showcase their listings, build brand awareness, and engage with a larger audience. With advanced targeting options, agents can reach specific demographics, interests, and behaviors, ensuring that their ads are seen by potential buyers and sellers who are actively looking for properties. Setting the tone. In this video, we will delve into the world of social media advertising for real estate and provide you with practical tips and strategies to effectively generate leads. Whether you're a seasoned agent or just starting out in the industry, our goal is to equip you with actionable insights that will help you leverage the power of social media to grow your business. Stay tuned for valuable information that will take your lead generation efforts to the next level. Understanding your target audience. To effectively generate real estate leads through social media ads, it is essential to have a deep understanding of your target audience. By researching and analyzing the demographics, interests, and behaviors of potential clients, you can tailor your ad campaigns to resonate with their preferences and needs. Research and analysis. Start by conducting thorough research on the demographics of your target audience, including age, gender, income level, and location. Understanding these key factors will help you create targeted ads that are relevant to specific segments of the market. Additionally, analyze the interests and behaviors of potential clients to identify common trends and preferences that can inform your ad content and messaging. Creating buyer personas. One effective way to segment your target audience is by creating buyer personas. These fictional representations of your ideal clients can help you personalize your ad campaigns and targeting strategies. Consider factors such as motivations, pain points, and goals to craft compelling ad content that speaks directly to the needs of each persona. Utilizing social media analytics. Harness the power of social media analytics tools to gather valuable insights on your audience's preferences and engagement with your ads. Platforms like Facebook Ads Manager and Google Analytics provide detailed data on metrics such as click-through rates, conversions, and audience demographics. Use this information to refine your targeting strategies and optimize your ad campaigns for maximum effectiveness. By understanding your target audience, creating buyer personas, and leveraging social media analytics, you can effectively identify and segment potential real estate clients for your social media ad campaigns. Stay tuned for practical tips on how to implement these strategies and drive quality leads for your real estate business. Crafting compelling ad content. Creating engaging and persuasive ad content is key to capturing the attention of your target audience and driving lead generation in the real estate industry. By incorporating high-quality visuals, compelling ad copy, and strategic calls to action, you can effectively showcase properties and encourage user interaction on social media platforms. High-quality visuals and videos. Visual content plays a crucial role in capturing the interest of potential clients browsing through social media feeds. Utilize high-quality images and videos to showcase properties in their best light and highlight key features that will resonate with your target audience. Stunning visuals can grab attention and entice users to learn more about the properties you have to offer. Compelling ad copy with clear calls to action. In addition to captivating visuals, compelling ad copy is essential for conveying your message and persuading users to take action. Write engaging and informative ad copy that highlights the unique selling points of your properties and includes clear calls to action that prompt users to engage further, whether it's visiting a website, scheduling a viewing, or contacting you for more information. A/B testing for optimization. To ensure the effectiveness of your ad content, consider A/B testing different creatives and messaging variations to identify what resonates best with your audience. Test elements such as headlines, images, ad copy, and calls to action to optimize performance and maximize lead generation. By analyzing the results of your A/B tests, you can refine your ad content to drive better engagement and conversion rates. By incorporating high-quality visuals, compelling ad copy, and A/B testing into your social media ad campaigns, you can create ad content that resonates with your target audience, drives user interaction, and ultimately generates quality leads for your real estate business. Stay tuned for practical tips on how to implement these strategies and elevate your ad content to the next level. Optimizing ad campaigns. Maximizing lead generation and return on investment through social media ad campaigns requires continuous monitoring, strategic adjustments, and targeted retargeting efforts. By closely analyzing ad performance metrics, refining targeting parameters, and implementing retargeting campaigns, real estate agents can optimize their ad campaigns to drive quality leads and conversions effectively. Monitoring ad performance metrics. To gauge the effectiveness of your ad campaigns, it is crucial to monitor key performance metrics such as click-through rates, conversions, and cost per lead. By tracking these metrics, you can identify which ads are performing well and which may need optimization. Analyzing the data will provide valuable insights into the success of your campaigns and help you make informed decisions to improve performance. Adjusting targeting parameters and budgets. Based on the insights gathered from monitoring ad performance metrics, consider adjusting targeting parameters and budgets to optimize your campaigns further. Refine your audience targeting to reach the most relevant prospects and allocate budgets strategically to maximize reach and engagement. Experiment with different targeting options and budget allocations to find the optimal combination that drives the best results for your ad campaigns. Implementing retargeting campaigns. Retargeting campaigns are a powerful tool for re-engaging with leads who have shown interest in your properties but have not yet converted. By serving targeted ads to these warm leads, you can nurture them through the sales funnel and encourage them to take the next step, whether it's scheduling a viewing or contacting you for more information. Implementing retargeting campaigns can help increase conversion rates and maximize the value of your ad spend. By monitoring ad performance metrics, adjusting targeting parameters and budgets, and implementing retargeting campaigns, real estate agents can optimize their social media ad campaigns to drive quality leads and achieve a higher return on investment. Stay tuned for practical tips on how to implement these strategies and elevate your ad optimization efforts for maximum impact. Engaging with leads. Effectively engaging with leads generated through social media ads is essential for nurturing them towards conversion and building lasting relationships in the real estate industry. By responding promptly to inquiries, providing valuable information, and utilizing tools like chatbots for streamlined communication, real estate agents can create a positive experience for leads and increase the likelihood of conversion. Prompt responses to inquiries. One of the key aspects of engaging with leads is responding promptly to inquiries and messages from potential clients. Timely responses demonstrate professionalism and attentiveness, showing leads that their inquiries are valued. By addressing questions and providing information promptly, you can keep leads engaged and interested in your properties. Providing valuable information and personalized assistance. To build trust and rapport with leads, it is important to provide valuable information and personalized assistance throughout the lead nurturing process. Offer insights into the real estate market, share property details, and tailor your communication to address the specific needs and preferences of each lead. By demonstrating expertise and offering personalized assistance, you can establish credibility and strengthen relationships with potential clients. Utilizing chatbots or automated messaging. Incorporating chatbots or automated messaging tools into your lead engagement strategy can help streamline communication and lead follow-up. Chatbots can provide instant responses to common inquiries, schedule appointments, and guide leads through the initial stages of the sales process. By leveraging automation, you can ensure consistent and efficient communication with leads, freeing up time to focus on building relationships and closing deals. By responding promptly to inquiries, providing valuable information, and utilizing chatbots for streamlined communication, real estate agents can effectively engage with leads generated through social media ads and nurture them towards conversion. Stay tuned for practical tips on how to implement these strategies and enhance your lead engagement efforts for successful conversions. Conclusion. In conclusion, leveraging social media ads for real estate lead generation offers a powerful and cost-effective way for agents to expand their reach, attract quality leads, and drive business growth. By implementing key strategies such as understanding target audiences, crafting compelling ad content, optimizing ad campaigns, and engaging with leads effectively, real estate professionals can maximize the impact of their social media advertising efforts and achieve successful conversions. Recap of key strategies. Throughout this video, we have emphasized the importance of social media ads in lead generation for real estate professionals. By understanding target audiences and crafting compelling ad content tailored to their preferences, agents can capture the attention of potential clients and drive engagement. Optimizing ad campaigns through monitoring performance metrics, adjusting targeting parameters, and implementing retargeting strategies can further enhance lead generation efforts and increase return on investment. Encouraging viewer action. We encourage viewers to take action and apply the strategies discussed in this video to elevate their real estate lead generation efforts. Subscribe to our channel for more valuable insights and tips on leveraging social media for business growth. Like this video if you found the information helpful, and share it with your network to help other real estate professionals succeed in their lead generation endeavors. By incorporating these strategies into your social media advertising approach, you can position yourself for success in the competitive real estate market and drive quality leads that lead to conversions. Thank you for watching, and we look forward to supporting you on your journey to real estate lead generation success. If you enjoyed this video, give us a thumbs up and share it with your friends. And remember, we're here to help you every step of the way. See you next time on Realty Rookies, where your real estate adventure begins.